Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Let's jump right in, because let's face it, the world of business is literally shifting under our feet as we speak. You've probably felt it, right? The almost dizzying pace of AI development recently. Honestly, it can be totally overwhelming. But today, we're going to transform that overwhelm into your ultimate strategic edge. We are moving away from analysis paralysis and stepping confidently into calm, actionable implementation. The goal? To give you a massive, undeniable leadership advantage by 2026. Look, before we even think about touching a piece of software, we need to acknowledge the elephant in the room. If you've been hesitant to adopt AI, your fear probably isn't actually about the algorithms or the tech itself. It's usually the fear of feeling left behind, or frankly, feeling like you just don't get it. And you know what? Naming that fear is step one. Because here's the truth. You aren't behind. You are exactly where you need to be to start learning this systematically. So, here is our roadmap for today. 1. The urgent AI reality. 2. Closing the competitor gap. 3. Quick wins for implementation. 4. Choosing the right tools. And finally, 5. Your 2026 leadership advantage. First things first, we gotta strip away this whole magic label immediately. AI isn't some mystical crystal ball, and it's definitely not science fiction. I want you to think of it simply as a pattern calculator. That's it. It's a highly sophisticated calculator for words, data, and patterns. Just like a regular calculator makes doing math faster, AI just makes pattern recognition and content generation faster. It's not magic, it's just a really incredibly efficient tool. Section 1. The urgent AI reality. 98%. Think about that number for a second. Right now, 98% of US small businesses are already using some form of AI tools. Whether they're writing emails, brainstorming ideas, or generating images, the adoption has been like wildfire. It's incredibly swift. This isn't some far-off future trend we're talking about. This is the baseline of how business operates today. And here is the ultimate urgency. 100%. 100% of your competitors will eventually adopt AI. There's no escaping it. The technology gap between the businesses that leverage this tool and the ones that don't is widening at a speed we've literally never seen before. If you sit around waiting for the perfect time to start learning, you're going to find that gap might just become entirely too large to cross. So, we're staring down a pretty stark choice right now. Adapt or abandon. Choosing to adapt? Well, that means creating a reliable rhythm for your revenue, gaining crystal clear focus, and actually getting liberated time back in your week. Refusing to evolve, on the other hand, means you're relying on blind pitches, dealing with content that just gets ignored, and ultimately silently disappearing as the market completely moves on without you. The market is already making its choice. Section 2. Closing the competitor gap. Okay, so how do we actually fight back when our competitors are showing up and we aren't? We do it systematically. Here is a brilliant 6-step playbook using tools like SEMrush to steal back that visibility. First, you see the exact prompts driving your competitors' citations. Then, find the missing gaps. What are people asking that you aren't answering yet? Next, check your share of voice and then go build citation-worthy content to fill those specific gaps. Finally, fix any technical roadblocks and track your visibility every single day. The brands winning in AI search aren't doing anything magical. They just show up consistently with the exact right answers. But hey, as you're building out all that content, I want you to remember this absolutely crucial point. Your human wisdom, your life experience, your nuanced judgment, your emotional intelligence, your heart, all of that is completely irreplaceable. AI is simply the engine. It's great at data processing and fast generation, sure, but you are the driver. You have to direct the AI with your unique human values. Section 3. Quick wins for implementation. All right, before we get to the action, we absolutely have to avoid this massive, sneaky trap known as the PLR paradox. You know what I'm talking about. This is when we buy highly valuable content or training, get super excited, and then immediately let it gather digital dust on a hard drive. Why do we do this? Perfectionism. We trick ourselves into thinking that implementing this stuff requires massive resources or endless hours. If you're gonna succeed, you absolutely must break free from this all-or-nothing mindset. Instead of trying to boil the ocean, pick just one quick win. Just one! You could launch a highly focused 30-minute webinar. Or how about developing a simple 5-skill strategic email series? You could use AI to generate punchy scripts for 60-second social videos, or even just use it to automate your daily brainstorming so you're never staring at a blank page. Extracting just one single powerful component delivers immediate, real-world value without needing a massive team behind you. And honestly, the momentum doesn't have to stop there. Think about integrating AI training into your existing products as exclusive bonuses. People love that. You can create quick start AI lead magnets, maybe an adoption calendar or a framework for picking the right tool. You might even offer an invitation-only AI lab for your higher tier clients who want collaborative problem solving, or simply offer a nice bundle of AI freebies. These are specific, focused actions that completely transform a curious visitor into a dedicated paying client. To actually make this happen and ground those ideas in reality, follow a simple 30-day action plan. Keep it manageable. Week 1, select your quick win and prepare the raw content. Week 2, format and polish it up. Week 3, launch and promote the whole shebang. And Week 4, evaluate your metrics and plan your next move. Trust me on this, the businesses that thrive aren't the ones with the most cash or resources. They are simply the ones who take consistent daily action. Section 4. Choosing the right tools. High performers don't look for a single magic bullet software because it just doesn't exist. Instead, they build an AI toolkit. Think of ChatGPT as your great all-rounder. It's excellent for ideation, writing, and debugging. Then you have Gemini, which is Google native, making it perfect for real-time web access and live analysis. Claude is what we call the deep thinker. It's absolutely ideal for handling massive, dense documents without losing nuance. And finally, Perplexity acts as your truth layer. It was built entirely from the ground up for fact-checking and giving proper citations. The key takeaway here, high performers leverage a strategic stack. They don't just lean on one tool. You might brainstorm your big idea with ChatGPT, refine the messy text with Claude, execute the actual workflow in Gemini, and then verify all your facts with Perplexity. Doing this isn't redundant, it's unparalleled leverage and efficiency. You are just applying the exact right tool at the exact right moment. Section 5. Your 2026 Leadership Advantage. The whole mindset around this tech is shifting, and it's shifting fast. The old way of thinking viewed AI as this super niche technical topic, or maybe just an optional pilot project for the IT team. But the 2026 leadership reality, it demands you see AI as your core infrastructure. It is your decision-making engine and your ultimate competitive moat. Moving forward, a lack of AI knowledge isn't a budget constraint anymore. It is a direct leadership choice. Now, if you want to build that true comprehension, the kind that goes way beyond just writing a quick prompt, MIT actually offers practical, completely free courses without needing any crazy technical background. This right here is your roadmap. Start with core foundations to truly grasp how it works under the hood. Then move to generative AI to understand the foundation models. After that, layer in applied skills and data literacy. Let me tell you, mastering this specific roadmap is what completely separates casual users from the true architects of tomorrow's business landscape. As we wrap up, I want you to remember this ultimate truth of the market. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI absolutely will. And remember, clarity beats speed. Taking a calm, structured, step-by-step approach to truly understand these patterns is so much more valuable than just blindly rushing in to adopt every shiny new tool that pops up on your feed. So, we've seen the urgency, we've identified the gap, we've looked at the tools, and we've laid out the roadmap. The bridge is completely built, and your 2026 leadership advantage is literally waiting for you right on the other side. The only question left for us today is, what course are you going to start with?